Hello everybody, so today I got here's an Xbox Red controller here for you today. This is called Pulse Red. Okay, so this is a pretty cool controller. This is from my PC, from my gaming PC. So let's take a look in the back here. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Just so you know, it has a white on the back and then a red up top, so that's pretty cool. And then these are all the instructions for the controller and everything, so that's pretty cool too. So yeah, this is a pretty cool controller. It's not bad at all, compared to my others, but, yeah, let's go ahead and open it up today, and, see what the controller looks like. Alright, so the best way to open up is, take my knife here, and then I'm going to cut it right here. Alright, so I'm going to take that, cut it open. Alright, so let's see, I'm going to try to figure out how to open this. Alright, so I'm going to open it up like that, and there it is. There's my, Xbox, controller for computer. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So I'm going to take it out, and then put this on the side. Okay. Oh, and it does come with double batteries, just so you know, so that's pretty cool. Nice little double batteries. Nice. And then, other than that, I think that's pretty much it on the inside. Yep, just the batteries, and of course there's a manual, but who cares about the manual, right? But, yeah, this is the controller. It's not bad. This is the red. I like the analog sticks and the new D-pad and everything else, so that's pretty cool. And then here's the back, and then just so you know, I got this on Amazon for about $65. Yeah, it's a lot of money for a controller nowadays, but yeah, this is the Xbox controller, and it's not bad. I like it. It's nice and comfortable. But I think that's pretty much it today about this Xbox Red controller. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos, just leave a like and subscribe, and I want to say thanks for watching.